guys, we're up here at a Doc's house. We got some ramps being built. We're gonna do some RC bashing, some jumping. We got the Russell out here with his 50 cal. He's gonna shoot that irrigation thing down here.
No.
No, he's out here shooting this thing, so yeah. Salisbury can't get you. Got my cell phone, hang on. Damn, it did kick up some dust. So
I just shit my pants.
Where'd it kick the dust up at?
That wasn't too bad.
I saw the branches move a little on the top of that tree.
Oh yeah.
Where'd it kick dust up at?
Man, I thought I was prepared for that being this close to it.
Where did it kick dust up at there?
Probably if you're looking at the can,
Just
yeah. Visual wise, probably 3 feet above the can, but in reality, probably about another 200 yards out.
Okay.
All right, well that's good then.
Yeah. So out here, bashing them up as you can see, hammering them. That was a brand new Shelf Queen body. Forgot to put the basher body on it. She ain't no more Shelf Queen. This guy here, muddy to hell. This one, and we are all guilty of the beatings.
Got mud on the camera.
We were jumping, almost landing on the gun. I landed on Josh's bag. Freaking Eric took the table out. Oh, we're out here killing it.
That's a really cool idea with that netting. Like
It is, ain't it?
Do they come with that?
He's got mud on the Mavic Air. That's how high we were jumping.
Uh-huh.
Like he was up like 400 feet, and I mean the Xmaxx was just coming past him. I just never saw nothing.
399.
399.
It was the moon jump.
All sub 250.